Here's some peas. Do you like them? It's not carrots. It's peas. Do you like them? Do you like your peas? More? They taste salty to me. It's green. Do you like them? You like the peas? I just used frozen ones and squashed them up. I think you do. I think you like peas. Now we have 3 things we like, or 4 things. I don't care for the peas, but hey. I like carrots and you don't. Yeah. Guess we're not all gonna like the same things. Whoops! Now you're gonna get green all over. Yeah. Like that? Yeah? Wow. My goodness. No, folks, this isn't the exorcism. This is Mila eating peas. She's not vomiting green stuff. She's eating peas. You want that? Want some more? Wow, I think you like the peas. Yeah.